Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today, I want to talk about one of the most groundbreaking innovations released last year, Claude computer use. When this feature came out, I played around with it, but recently, I've been diving deeper into it and I thought, why not make a video? So, what exactly is Claude computer use? It's a feature that lets AI use your computer to carry out tasks that you've defined. Claude can move the cursor, click, type, and navigate between apps to perform tasks just like you would. We're living in a time of autonomous AI agents that can take actions on their own, and this is a huge step toward that future. In this video, I'll walk you through a use case where I asked Claude to fill out a job application based on a resume. Claude took over the virtual computer that I was using and did the entire process completely autonomously. Let's dive in and take a look. All right, I've set up the Claude computer use demo. Let me tell you what's on my screen. On the left side, we have the chat interface. This is where you can give Claude AI instructions and tell it what to do on your device. On the right side is the device. This is a virtual machine, and this is where I'm going to give Claude free range to take actions based on the instructions I've given. The scenario is to copy over information from this resume into this job application. This is a random resume I found online, and this is a makeshift job application with just a few questions for demonstration purposes. All right, so let's get started. First thing I want to ask Claude is, can you see my screen? And I'm doing this to show you how Claude, the computer use works. It works by taking screenshots of your device to understand the different entities. And then based on the location of these entities, based on the location of the fields and the buttons and all, Claude can take the relevant actions on your screen. You can see here that it accurately identified the resume PDF document and the job application. Cool. Next thing I want Claude to do is to actually fill out the job application using the resume on the left. I've asked it not to submit the application just yet because I want to review, and let's see it in action. So it's running the agent and autonomously taking over the device, starting with filling out the name. Okay, you can see my hands are right here, so I'm not the one typing. Okay, okay, now it's filling out the most recent job. Okay, one more question. Come on, Claude, you can do it. Perfect. Cool. Okay, so Claude is finished. It filled out the name, the email, the most recent job, and are you willing to relocate? So it filled this out correctly. As you can see, I was not the one doing it. Now it's done. Let's say, please submit the application. Once again, I'm not the one typing anything. And it's intelligent enough to know that submit, of course, you have to click the submit button. So it just submitted the application successfully. And we can see the trace of all the actions it took from start to finish. You can see here when I asked it to submit the job application, it took an action and moved the mouse to these specific coordinates on the screen. And these are the coordinates of the submit button. And it took action by clicking on that button. This is absolutely incredible. I've used this so many times just to play around with it. And every time I use it, it still blows my mind. We are on the cusp of having autonomous agents as part of the workforce. And I think this innovation plays a huge role in that. I'll drop in the comments a link for you to actually set this up and try it out on your own and just to play around with it. But I think this is one of the greatest innovations of 2024 when it comes to artificial intelligence. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know which other videos you'd like me to make, and see you in the next one.